Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two AI platforms, which is Fireflies AI and Evernote. So to get started, Fireflies AI dominates as a meeting assistant. It automatically records and transcribes meetings with impressive accuracy, identify speakers, extract action items, and deliver a smart summaries like GPT-powered assistant Ask Fred, which help user quickly query past conversation, draft follow-ups, or integrate insight. Fireflies integrate seamlessly with tools like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, Notion, Slack, and major CRM platforms, making it a top choice for teams handling a frequent meeting. And talking about Evernote, on the other hand, it remains a solid note-taking app, but it is not designed for live meeting capture. While it supports a manual note template, document scanning, and task management, it lacks a real-time transcription, AI meeting summary, or any native integration with video conference tools. Recent updates have improved Evernote AI writing features, but its core remains best for static notes, not dynamic, AI-driven meetings workflow. And here's a very conclusion about this platform. Fireflies remains a supreme for teams and professionals who need to capture and process meeting automatically, but Evernote is better for organizing static notes and ideas, but it simply cannot compete with AI meeting space. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this two AI platform and how they can help you automate your work. And that's it.